this country, I really laughing talk. Because country they supposed to share map for different country. They share for only Nigeria. Only we country we get very dark man, Portable, Bobrisky, Odumeje. Inside one country, all of us want to wear. Only for this country, basically, go carry the English, set up the shout, don't play. Or you gonna learn? You gonna learn the hard way. This same country, we not do Mother's Day last year because Mommy of Lagos go jail. Everybody now another person with the craze for this country. Now Akpe. If you come this show now, tell M.O.P, I want to talk to your head. Inside my head. Akpe. That won't go. We can't get one pastor where they follow them craze. Odumeje. If that one come here, hey boy, I'm the lioness chef. Who you are you from? You call it, hey boy. I'm not a comedian. Where I like that when he speak one English, can't correct him.